6-minute A main. Here we go. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. On the tone, less than 5. All right, so Richard Carpenter is your TQ in this class. He is leading them around. Brandon now taking it the inside there. Getting collected there. So Izzy now to the top. We got a three-way battle working the right side of the track here. Coming across the loop now. Izzy, Bill, Richard, Starling. Richard now getting back to the 2 spot. He's going to try to run down Izzy. He's got 5 minutes to do it. Battle for the lead now, shaping up here, going down the front sweeper back into the infield. Izzy, Richard, Bill right there. Top 3 cars broken away here. Top 3 down the front straight. Three-car battle down the front straight, first, second, third. They get together there. Carpenter waits. That's going to allow Fraden to get to the top spot. They're coming up on some lap cars. Top 3 getting through. Now Bill Fraden, your leader. Richard now making his way back to the 2. He's got 3.5 minutes. Bill, Richard, Izzy, Gilberto, Starling, Jonathan, Brandon. That's the running order. Your race leader coming across. Second place coming across. Just under 3 minutes to go. Richard Carpenter now 1 second back from your leader, Bill Fraden. Carpenter was your TQ. He's also got the fastest lap of this race. 12.9. .330 down, 2:30 to go. Last lap by, it was 9/10 separation from Fraden to Carpenter. See what it is right here. 5/10 now. Is he still running in the 3? .4 as Carpenter took a look, but
2 minutes left.
Decided not to push for it. He's got 2 minutes to go. So they're coming up on some more traffic, getting through. Thank you. 1:40 to go. Carpenter really fast on this right side of the track. 0.3 of a second. Carpenter back to the front. Down the front straight they go. Now it's 0.5 of a second the other way with 1:20 to go. Fraden trying to catch Richard. Izzy trying to catch them both. Then we got Gilberto, Jonathan. Starling. Those are the cars that are left out there.
1 minute left.
Your leader coming down the front straight across the loop now. Into the sweeper, coming up on Jonathan. Second place to follow. They get through no problem. Thank you, Jonathan. That's how you do it. 45 seconds to go. Richard Carpenter trying to seal this deal here. Bill Frayden keeping him honest. Oh, Bill up on the pipe. Where's Izzy? $22 seconds to go. So Bill crossing and Izzy now only 2 seconds back as Frayden might be having an issue here. 5 seconds. So Izzy back to the 2, Frayden in the 3. Frayden or Izzy rolling it. Marshall right there. So Bill going to get back by. Race to the line.
Done.
Here comes
Bill Frayden done.
Frayden.
Richard Carpenter done.
Carpenter getting the win.
Jonathan Hutton done.
And that is a race. Starling's out. All right, so Richard Carpenter going to get it done. Bill Frayden on the last lap going to get that second spot back. Izzy in the 3. Followed by Perez and Hutton. So Richard, Bill, and Izzy, top 3.